Hello. How's my voice? Still not healed, but it's good enough. It doesn't seem to want to be 100% today, but I probably sound like I just woke up. So if you guys want to know the timeline of like what's going on, Monday, I got a little bit of a heat stroke. Heat-related illness, as the doctors would call it. I also had severe nausea from having that, which is like a pretty common side effect. With the nausea created a lot of acid reflux, and that basically damaged my vocal cords. But since then, since that Monday, it's better as of last night. Last night was the first night I actually got some sleep. I guess we'll jump into today's stream. I put a lot of effort into making sure this is one of the very few keyboards that gets super color coordinated. But first, here are all the parts for the Gameboy modding later on. The only thing that's not color coordinated because they sent me the wrong shell, and I'm not about to get a refund or ask for another one because this is like it's not a cheap shell, but it is what it is. They sent me an all black smoky gray. It was supposed to be a translucent orange one. It is what it is, not a big deal. This is going to be a sponsored stream for two reasons. Well, I guess for one reason. I work for Novel Keys, one of the vendors. So take this for what it is. You guys know it doesn't hold me back from saying anything I ever need, so we're going to be as upfront as we possibly can. The price point is going to be a little bit expensive, but it makes sense for something like this made of aluminum and some other parts. It's going to come in a variety of different colors. Let me share my screen because I think we need to. Got a little polycarbonate, which is honestly I might place a second order on top of this. I think I need one of the polycarbonate ones too. But so cool. Lots of different options for colors. We have different plates. We even have a wireless mode, which is cool. And some different layouts, which is going to be, I believe, ISO or non-ISO. Are the bumpers functional? Yes, and they sound really good. Okay. I don't know. I haven't actually done testing on the battery life. I couldn't find any like rough estimates on how long it would last Venom. Maybe Gallo has some insight for us. Look at this. So you can see the buttons are going to be functional because there are ribbon cables everywhere. The batteries last longer than half a year, I assure. 6 months. 6 months minimum. So we have some standard bubble feet, which I love. The machining on this is really cool, by the way. So cool. We have our small little USB-C, which is recessed and also hidden. We have 4 hex screws on the bottom. We have a cutout of a battery component, but it's not actually the batteries. Internal weight, and then we also have the bumpers, which are very well done. And you can see they click. And then to pair today, this took me a considerable amount of time to figure out where I had these stashed. These are Epsilons. I think these are going to look good with today's build. Yes, they sent over the artisans as well. So these are going to be the little artisans. That's a nice finish. Pretty nice. I'm feeling things right now. Yeah, this is going to be a fun build today. All right, let's see, what plate do we have? Even this is a fun shape. Cool. All right, there were some notes about this too. So I'll just read you guys some of these things that they have listed over here. The back curved surface has some visible seam lines right now. They're going to be fixing that for mass production. They've made some major changes to the shape under the battery cover plate, so please, okay. So that one there, it's not finalized, so looks like that the shape underneath this is going to be fixed. The prototype PCB is green. For the mass production, wired solder PCB will be green, wired hot swap will be yellow, and tri-mode will be white. The front shell lacks CNC engraving because we had to rush for the prototypes. So there will be an engraving on the front as well, which is fine. So we're missing a few things today on the prototype, but the final unit will be fixed in some areas. It comes with stab wires too for the wires here. I was like, man, I'm a little concerned I don't have the 3U wires, but hell yeah. Look, I even have the Bowl collab sitting on the desk to match all the orange today. It's nice, right? So here's what happened, Phoenix. I opened the board last night and I said, wow, the board's orange. But then I panicked and I'm like, I don't have any orange switches. And I told myself the other day, I want to start matching switches to keyboards again. And I'm like, I have a set of, I thought creamsicles, but they weren't, they were Epsilons. So I completely scoured through my collection to find these. How much I want one? What do you think about the control Windows key missing? Not really. It's nothing really like, here's the thing. You use a board like this, right? You're going to be using one of these space bars as a function layer. So realistically, if you really wanted to, if you're missing Windows, you would just hit this and bind this to your Windows. It's as simple as saying this is a dual function key when you hit this space bar. That's the beauty of having a split space bar on something like this, is this is your other layer. And again, you can do whatever you want because like it's up to you and how you want to customize the layers. All right. So there are a bunch of parts to this, which you guys can see. Not really a weight, more of a cover. But you can see now this is you're starting to see where some of this cost is going to be, is a bunch of different metal parts. Look at that. Do you know when this will be a video? Most likely midweek. And then here, oh, that's interesting. So these just fit. Oh, so these are how the triggers work. That is actually really cool. So here's the button. And the triggers have a foam pad and essentially trigger that. That makes sense. They seem pretty satisfying when the case is fully put together. All right, this is in. It's coming together. Look at this. What's the easiest way to do this? Let's see how we can tackle this. Maybe it is this way. It is. I finished Violet Evergarden. It was an artful masterpiece, but I wish they did more with it. Did you watch the movies as well? As much as I think pogo pin connectors would have been amazing in this, I don't know how necessary they would have been. And I don't know if they were possible for all the small parts. Let me plug it in, make sure it's all working. Here's the sound of Gallo, you did so good on those. The power button is just giving me some life. They are very bright though. I think I turned them down a little bit. Oh, this is set to backspace. I don't know what this is set to. This is so cool. What a fun project. I mean, this is bound to escape by default, and this is bound to backspace. All right, let's plug this in and see how it sounds. I like that 50% layout a lot. The board seems very comfortable to type on too. Let's see how it sounds right now with the Epsilon switches. You know what? Ooh, with the chariots. Okay, let's try with the yogurt. Can't it also do 2x2 5U? I think so, but you have to... Yeah, you have to use plate mounted stabs for that, just as an FYI. I kind of like the Yogurt S in this. The Yogurt S is... I mean, this sounds like very fun. The alphas are very full. Cool. But I guess if you're ever bored, you can pick it up and hit them with one of these. Realistically, if you're buying this keyboard, I would actually rebuying this to Backspace and put a Backspace key here instead. And you still get access to some of your numbers. Or just do this for Backspace. Or hold this and hit this. You know? You can do whatever you want. You can just map it in Vial, rather. Yeah, so these, just so you guys can see too, these just pop up as little escape and backspace. These are the triggers. So if we wanted this to be like anything, even like a, I don't know, media, you know, make these volume shifters left and right. You can just set it to whatever. I'm going to give Gallo special recognition today. Thank you for being one of the few vendors, or not vendors, designers that's giving us a working piece of webware with their keyboard. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Thank you, thank you. There's nothing I'd change for this. You did so good. This is fantastic. What a fun project this is. So good. The only thing better now is to make it like transform into a real Game Boy, which, you know, might not be possible. You guys have a good night. Love you guys and talk to you guys very soon. Bye, everybody.